Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign downloaded documents. First, open your document using a PDF viewer or a dedicated e-signature application. Next, locate the signature tool within the software. You will typically find options to draw, type, or upload an image of your signature. Finally, place your signature in the desired location and save the document. This process ensures your document is legally binding and secure. Many common PDF viewers offer built-in tools for signing. For instance, in Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can navigate to the Fill and Sign tool. This feature allows you to easily create a signature by typing your name, drawing it with your mouse or trackpad, or even uploading a picture of your handwritten signature. Once created, you can drag and drop it onto the document, resizing it as needed. This method is quick and convenient for basic signing needs. For more robust and legally compliant signing, consider dedicated e-signature services. Platforms like DocuSign or Adobe Sign provide advanced features such as secure encryption and audit trails. You simply upload your document, and the service guides you through adding your signature, initials, and dates. Many platforms offer a free trial for a limited number of documents, typically 3 to 5, before requiring a subscription. After placing your signature, it is crucial to review the entire document to ensure everything is correct. Always save the signed document as a new file, perhaps adding sign to the file name, to keep the original untouched. Most PDF viewers and e-signature services will prompt you to save. Confirm that the signature is clearly visible and properly embedded. You can then securely share your completed document via email or a cloud service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.